Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how you can make money using digital products, simple digital products. Digital products are one of the simplest ways to start making money online. You don't have any inventory, there is no shipping involved, there is no overhead involved. And once you create something once, you can sell it over and over again. But here's the part that most people don't realize. A lot of products that are selling every single day are actually being used by real people in very practical ways. For example, parents printing activities to keep their kids busy at home, teachers preparing quick worksheets for their classrooms, homeschoolers looking for ready-made resources, and even parents downloading things for long flights, restaurants, travel. And one niche that keeps showing up again and again, and it's super fun, is I Spy worksheets. If you go into Pinterest and type in I Spy worksheets, you will be able to see the kind of worksheets that are available for download. You'll find thousands of posts like free printable I Spy for kids, busy activity sheets, travel worksheets for children. These are being used by parents at home, teachers in classrooms, homeschoolers, even parents preparing activities for flights or restaurants. And the key thing is, these are simple, repeatable designs, but they are being used every single day. Now let's look at Amazon KDP. This is where the same worksheets are turned into full products. You will find themed activity books, 30, 50, and even 100-page collections. Kids' puzzle books built entirely around I Spy pages. And look at the themes: animals, dinosaurs, holidays like Christmas or Halloween, travel activity books. These are bought by the parents, gifted to kids, and used during downtime. Now, if you head over to Etsy, you'll be able to see lots of bundles. You will see sellers offering 10-page printable packs, themed collections, seasonal bundles, for example, Animalized by Pack, Holiday Activity Bundle, Preschool Learning Worksheets. These are designed for instant download, print, and use. What you're seeing across all three platforms is the same idea: simple worksheets turned into themed products, bundles, and books. Now, instead of creating these manually from scratch, there are ways to speed up the process. Presenting to you I Spy Worksheets Generator. Here is where you can create amazing I Spy worksheets in minutes. These are educational, customizable, fast, and easy. You will be able to use a lot of functions that are available in this generator to create the worksheets that you need. Now, if you see it in action, you can see that these are two examples of worksheets that are possible to be generated. Let me show you some of the activity books that I generated. If you go into my website, customprintSGonline.com, you can see under the I Spy activity books the type of books that I have on sale. Look at the themes. These are all generated using I Spy Worksheet Generator and Canva. Now, if you go into the worksheet generator, you'll be able to see that you can access free plan, and the free plan will give you 5 worksheets per day. It resets every day. Now let's look at the workspace. You will be able to see what are the recommended file size over here, the header type that you can have, whether it's an image header, a blank header, or a text header. Then you can choose the header height. You can put in your logo if you want it. You can actually upload a maximum of 16 files. Those are clip art files. And then you can choose to generate more than one pages. You can choose to scatter as many as you want, but depending on the algorithm and the placing and the positioning, it will actually give you closer to the number. Okay, and there are some other adjustments that you can make to actually make your worksheet more personalized. Okay, so these are all the settings that you can play with. Now let's see how we can generate the worksheet and bring our worksheet to life. What we really need is to choose the icons. Okay, you can choose the files. If you already have the clip art files, you can choose. I already have mine over here. I am choosing these Macau clip arts from here. And once I open it, it will get automatically uploaded into the generator. So now you can see I have chosen 8 files. And here now the generate worksheet button is available. You can choose a blank header, a image header, or a text header, and you can change the heading also from here. Pretty much any heading that you are comfortable with, you can put it here. But unless if you are planning to change it later using Canva, then you can leave this blank and we can go ahead and generate. You can generate as many as you want. Okay, since we are starting out and I'm just showing this to you, let's stick with one page. And I'm going to scatter the icons. You can scatter as many as you want, but depending on the size and the dimensions that you have uploaded, it will actually tell you how much is possible. So here you're writing the custom instructions, like if you want them to count and write, or you want to type in something funky or make it personalized, you can do this over here. Choose the font family and everything. And once you are happy with that, you can click on the generate worksheet button. So once you click on generate worksheet, it will scatter the worksheet for you, and you can see the legend is created. If you feel that the legend is too small, or you want to change the font color or font size or whatever, you can actually do it over here. You can make the adjustments. You can see that the adjustments will be live. Okay, I'm going to increase the legend icon size over here to 80. This is the maximum, and this will fill up the page. If it is a standard one line, if you only have like 8 clip arts uploaded, then one line is going to be in, and then it will be a good size. So you can change how you want the boxes to look like. Now this is ready. Once you're ready, you will get all these download options. You can choose to regenerate, you can choose to add more pages to it, or you can choose to download it, or you can increase it. And I'm going to append another page over here. Now I have increased the icons to scatter to 550. I'm going to append one more page. Okay, now it will tell you at the bottom corner that they have added one new page with 265 total icons. This is based on the algorithm and the size of the clip art that you have uploaded. Okay, so now you can see the difference between the first one you have generated and the second one. Okay, basically these are some of the things that you can do over here. Now let's change it to 1200 and see what happens. Okay, we're going to remove a few. This will not affect the already generated worksheets. It's only going to affect if you regenerate the current worksheet or you append a new worksheet. It will only take place over them. Okay, so now we are going to append a new worksheet. Yes, now it has added 636 total icons when we asked for 1200. This is based on the algorithm also. So now you can see that the clip art is updated. We only have like 4 files, 4 clip art files that were uploaded. Initially there were 8, now we have 4, but it did not affect the previously generated worksheets. Now if you're happy with all this, what you can do is you can download it as a PDF, you can download in PNG, or you can download as a JPEG. Okay, I'm going to download the PDF and show you. Depending on how much you choose to scatter and how big your files are, it will take some time. Okay, so once you are ready, this box will show up, so you can choose where to save it. Once you have saved it, I will show you how it looks. I'm going to open this PDF file. This is how it will look once you open it up. You can see that all the pages are ready. You can print it directly from here. If you want to make this KDP ready, you can export this or import this into Canva. I'm going to open this with Canva. Once in Canva, you can make all the necessary changes you need, like add in the header, get rid of the background, add in new elements, basically personalize it and make it your own. So no matter how many people are using the same generator, yours will stand out and it'll be your own. Now, if you need more clip arts or you don't have a clip art, you can go to Creative Fabrica or Creative Market. I will leave my affiliate link down below, so you can click on that link and then check out Creative Fabrica. Here you go and search for clip art and they will give you a lot of options. So click on any one that catches your attention. Okay, let's open this cute pastel kawaii spring clip art PNG. I'm going to download this and then we are going to extract the zip file. Okay, it's in this folder. Now click on it. You can see all the PNG files are available. Now what we're going to do is we are going to our iSpy generator and we are going to delete all these files that we uploaded earlier. Now we're going to choose the file that we just downloaded. It's under this folder. Yeah, it's all here. So I'm going to select and open. Once you've uploaded your files, you can regenerate all, which will get rid of all the previous pages and then give you a fresh new page. Here you can see that there are 2 lines of legend. You can reduce the legend icon size and then you can see that it will give you a neater look. Once you are happy with all your pages, you can download them, go into Canva and edit them and personalize them before you are actually going to put it into a book format or digital file format. Apart from Creative Fabrica, you can create your own clip art using Procreate or other digital design softwares. You can also use Canva Elements. If you have the Pro subscription, you should be free to use, but do read the subscription guidelines. Also, I will show you how I create my clip arts. I use this free generator called the Arena. I will create a 3x3 sticker over here, and it will give me basically two options. So whichever one I like, I can choose to download them. Once I have the one that I like, I will download and then re-upload it into my own app, which I created. It's not available publicly, but I will show you how to use it. So here I like the sticker sheet that is generated. Now I will just rate this and then download it. This is called the figure splitter, and I will import it into the figure splitter. And from here I will just increase the sensitivity and the size and then extract figures. Normally it will extract, if it is a plain background with a few images, it will extract exactly, but sometimes it gets confused also, so you need to play around with it a little bit. But if you're there is also another option for you to extract the images, that is to use freeform. When you use freeform, you can actually select which are the images that you want to cut out. So this is what I'm doing over here. I'm just going to go over these figures that I want to get. So it's pretty easy. So I'll choose 6 and then I will extract the 6 selections. So you can see that the last 6 is the ones that I have cut out. So I can delete all the images that I don't need and then download PNG or the JPEG file and then use my iSpy worksheet generator to upload these images directly. If I want to remove the background, I can put it into Photopea, that is a free software, or I can do it in my Photoshop, or I can even do it in Canva. Now I'm going to choose the files that I just created. It's under this file, it's under this folder. Yeah, so these are my files. I'll just upload this and then I'm going to regenerate all. And you can see now all these are scattered and ready. You can get started for free using iSpy Worksheet Generator. You can create 5 worksheets per day and all worksheet features are available. Basic one has 50 worksheets per day and the Pro version will give you unlimited amount of worksheets. So do try it out. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.